Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Nice to meet you. I'm Shane, and I'm the video editor.
And I'm Maddie, and I'm the cameraman.
Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm the producer.
I'm Blair, and I'm the screenwriter.
I'm Nina, and I'm the scientist.
I wonder what makes tulips grow the best.
You know, me too. You know, it says right here that banana peels contain nutrients that are essential for healthy potted plants. As they decompose, banana peels add potassium as well as small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium to the soil in a similar fashion as a slow-release fertilizer.
Well, I read that coffee grinds, they contain useful amounts of phosphorus and potassium and have a low-level source of nitrogen. Also contains minor amounts of calcium, magnesium, copper, and other trace minerals like carbohydrates, sugars, and some vitamins, and some caffeine.
I just found on here that eggshells are primarily made out of calcium carbonate, which is the ingredient found in agricultural lime, according to the Master Gardeners of Hamilton County, Tennessee. Jeff Gilman, author of The Truth About Garden Remedies, did his own small test to determine the nutritional properties of eggshells. He steeped the shell in water for 24 hours and then sent the water to the lab. The lab results found that the eggshell-infused water contained 4 milligrams of calcium and potassium, as well as very small amounts of phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium.
Wow, I wonder what would work best for tulips.
We should try it.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go!
If eggshells, coffee grinds, or banana peels are added into the soil of tulips, then the banana peels will cause the tulips to grow faster than they would in soil without extra added to it.
This is the setup that we used in all of our plants. Also, all of our plants were grown in Miracle-Gro soil, and we gave every single one of our plants a half a cup of water every single day. This is the coffee grinds plant and just pictures of how it's progressively grown throughout the 3 weeks.
For the coffee grind samples, starting at an average height of 25 centimeters, the 3 samples grew to 28 centimeters, and each sample grew a flower and bloomed.
Next, we have the eggshell plants, and like before with the coffee grind plants, these are just pictures of the plants growing. The 3 eggshell samples started at 25 centimeters. Over the course of 3 weeks, the samples grew to 26.7 centimeters, and each sample produced a flower. Then we have the banana peel plants and the growth that they had over the 3 weeks.
For the banana peel samples, when we first read 3 weeks ago, the tulip samples had an average height of 25 centimeters. Over the course of 3 weeks, the samples developed flowers and sprouted and grew up to 32 centimeters.
And lastly, we had our control group along with all the pictures that we took over the 3 weeks of it.
We had 3 other plants that had no additional fertilizers in them. These samples grew from 25 centimeters to 27.9 centimeters, and each sample produced a flower.
And here is just all of our final plants at the end of our experiment and how they all ended up.
One of the obstacles we came across when we were doing the experiment was that we weren't sure what seeds and what soil the plants had originally grown from, so their health could have varied, which added a new variable to our experiment. In the future, we will use the same seeds and start off the plants from seeds so that we know that the seeds are the same and the soil is the same.
In conclusion, our hypothesis was correct, and the banana peels was the best organic fertilizer for the tulips. The myth was also correct because all of the organic fertilizers help the plants grow faster than our control.